What is the proper way to clean windows? To achieve streak-free and sparkling clean windows, gather all necessary supplies before starting. Supplies needed include warm water with a few drops of dish soap, a squeegee, a sponge or microfiber cloth, glass cleaner, and newspaper or paper towels. Begin cleaning windows from the top down in an up and down motion to wash away dirt and dust instead of pushing it around. Use the squeegee to wipe away excess moisture, making sure not to press too hard or leave any puddles. Finish off by using a microfiber cloth or newspaper with glass cleaner for extra shine and sparkle. Use straight passes across each pane until all streaks are gone and buff with a soft cloth until completely dry. With these steps, you can achieve crystal clear and streak-free windows every time with minimal frustration. Proper window cleaning techniques are essential for achieving great results quickly.